Okay, 90-second hack to help you pack. So this hack may or may not be of use to anyone who's got aircraft locker over their cab like we have and use it principally for your clothes. So let's open her up. So what we've done is to get these plastic storage bins you get from hardware stores and places like Poundland, that sort of thing. Cut them, shape them to the radius of the cab, and then we just take these inside, put the clothes in one go, straight into the locker. Bin each and one for dirty laundry, so the reverse when we get back. All the dirty laundry comes straight out, take the bin upstairs, straight into the washing machine. Simple, effective.